Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. Never in my wildest imaginations did I think that I would get 200 videos up on YouTube. It's been a fun adventure. I know a lot of people have got good information out of this, some maybe not so much good. So what I want to do in my 200th video is I'm going to have a free giveaway. I've got some stuff that could be useful to somebody. And the way I'm going to run it is, so everybody makes a comment on my channel. I'm going to throw all your names in a hat. The person, I'll probably put up a video maybe of me pulling names out of the hat. And the person that wins is going to get everything shipped to them for free. So let me show you what we got here. So I have got a set of Factory 5 coil springs, 500 pounds and 400 pounds. Two pairs, two fronts, two rears. I've got the Factory 5 shifter handle, came with the kit, and the boot, all brand new stuff. So you'll have 4 coil springs, a boot, and a handle. Shipped to you, no charge. So I figured, you know what, it's me thanking everybody out there for watching, for commenting. I've had so many comments. I've actually met a lot of nice people on this channel. One of them has now become one of my good friends. Him and I do a lot together. We've traveled together all within the last, year and a half, 2 years. So it has truly been a marvelous, marvelous experience. Had just one negative comment really over the entire time. Other than that, everything's been really positive, upbeat. So I figured it's my turn to give back. So as again, we got 2 front coils, 2 rear coils, 400, 500 pound, shifter boot, handle, shipped to you, no charge. So as I said, comment, make a good comment about, actually, you know what, make a comment about why you need these things. And then I'll throw the names in a hat and we'll do a drawing and see who wins. So, and then my next video, we went to a Factory 5 get together. It was only Dave and myself, by the way, but we went to Canapa Motorsports and it was amazing. So wait till I show you some of the videos from there. Super high-end cars, a one-of-one Porsche Carrera GT. So, but I digress. So this time, free giveaway, get online, make a comment, we'll do a drawing and see who wins. So thanks again and good luck, everybody.